tinawag agad ni Grumpy yung ulan. Let's go! Bagong car wash ako! We're on our way to BGC. This is how I look today. I look like myself. We're here at... Saan to?
Uptown.
Scouts Honor. Scouts Honor. No, all good stuff yung nakalagay doon. Yung nasa wall.
Ano pangalan niya?
Scouts Honor na.
Sorry, baka lang.
I love my lashes, cute.
No makeup makeup.
No makeup look. They gave us free chips. Yung tig-piso na kiss. Yun nga yun. Meron silang malalaking nakatimba na crackers. Others might not get it kasi may yaman sila. Pero nung bata ako.
It's nostalgic.
Yeah, it's nostalgic. Pag may sukli yung yung pera ko, yun na yung binibili ko. Nakauwi na kami and nagpe-prepare lang ako. Go to bed. I'm gonna read Daisy Jones and the Six. It's ready hanggang sa antukin. Good night! Hello! We're going to Mega Mall. Papa-facial lang kami, guys. The badly needed facial. Bye-bye!
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laugh.
Guys, the best tong salad nila, like 1 million over 10. We're at Sachni. Maps is having avocado. This is what I'm having. Peppermint something. Sarap. Nasbad ko siya sa Starbucks. Guys, dito kami magdi-dinner. Inabot na kami ng dinner dito sa Mega Mall. Ang galing. Time to go home with the cheese puff. Sarap, guys. 9 out of 10. Hi guys, we're going to the gym. Totoo ba?
Mag-add ka nga, wala ka naman masit.